B62 Prism Direct LED headlight supports two optical designs: Prism technology and Direct LED. Let's learn about each part of B62 Prism Direct LED. Lens, bracket, drive board, reflective cup, direct radiator, prism, high-speed fan, The direct light spot is perfectly clear, which can effectively improve the visibility when driving at night. B62 Prism Direct LED headlight is suitable for 99% of car models on the market. The color temperature is gentle and not dazzling, and the road feel is comfortable.